Hi everyone, I'm Master Doug. Welcome to my channel. Hi, I'm Master Doug. Thank you for tuning into my channel. One of the most demanded self-defense applications I get requested to teach is bear hug from the back. Why would somebody want to bear hug you from the back? For several reasons. They want to control you. They want to sneak attack you. They want to prevent you from hurting them. They want to take you, maybe lift you, throw you to the ground. So we're going to be doing 5 different applications. Okay. First one is over the shoulders, above the arms. Second one is over the arms, below the elbows. Third one is underneath the arms, as high as possible. Second one is under the arms, down by the waist. Last one is over the shoulders and when they lift you up. Okay, so I'm gonna go over all 5. First time, the first one is bear hug over the arms when it's high up the arms above the elbow. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna hold tight. Why? We want to secure them. They think that they have us, but in actuality, we have control of them. They don't know it yet. From here, we're gonna step to the side, create space between my hip and their hip, and we're gonna flare out our elbows in order to loosen their grip. Now from here, we have full use of our arms to hit the groin, stomach, hit the groin. You can stomp the foot. You can headbutt. Now, at the same time, while one hand and one foot is being used for combatives, she's still maintaining control of one arm. Why? If she lets go, he might choke her. He can use his arm to hit her, to pull her hair, to continue to attack her. So she's going to maintain control while she uses her free limbs to combat. Good. Then, as soon as possible, she breaks free, squares up, and finishes with other close-range combatives. Good. Now let's demonstrate that again in full motion, full speed. Good. Number 2. Second scenario, above the arms, but low by the wrist. Go. Good. Let's break it down. Go ahead. Low above the wrist. Now here, it's going to be a little difficult to pull out the arms. So we have another method. We use our elbows to push open, to pry it open. It creates a lot of space. As she's pinning it to her legs so that she can maintain control without him letting go, she takes out her other arm and uses that to strike the head. Go ahead and maybe stomp on the foot if she needs to. That should be enough. In real life, we're going hard and for real. In real life, nobody's going to be holding on. So she's going to square up and closing the distance and using her close-range combatives. The knee to the groin to the head. Thank you. Third situation is underneath the arms, high. Okay? Very similar to the first situation when it was above the arms. She's still going to grab his arms to maintain control. So he cannot let go, even if he wants to. Hold tight, squeezing in. Chin is always tucked in to protect her head. From here, she's going to use her feet, stomp on the foot, up kick the groin. She's going to use her head to headbutt him. She can use one arm after looking where the head is, strike the face, okay? And we can do this all day long. So she finally releases. Go ahead. Squares up and use her close range combatives. let's go back to the finger pry. Now, if he's still holding on for whatever reason, she can easily attack one finger. I don't care how big you are, how strong you are, nothing's gonna stop you from causing pain to the person like this. Go. Okay. All right. You can be as big as tall as John here, but this is only one small little limb. All right, that can easily be broken. Now, last scenario is, second to last scenario is when it's low, underneath the arms, low by the waist. She's gonna use her fingers, her thumb, to get inside, create a little space, and she's gonna grab on. Again, the whole concept out of every move is to maintain control of the attacker. All right, so actually the attacker becomes the victim in this situation. From here, we're gonna use our body to blade and create more space between the attacker and you. And what we're gonna do is use our body for leverage to pry open as we push down the hands by our waist. From here, he's wide open for different types of counterattacks. Good, let's try that again from the beginning. We wanna create space between his hips and our hip. And pry open, square up, good. Excellent. Now, last scenario is when you get lifted. We are gonna maintain control. If we do not control their arms, they can just drop us. We'll get even more hurt if they let go. So we're gonna maintain control of them. As they lift us up, she's gonna use her legs, which are free to kick. Go ahead. The groin and down. At this point, we don't know. He might let go, he might hold on, he might fall over. All right, and then she's gonna go back to using one of the previous self-defenses we did before. Go. Nice. Now, Krav Maga is a system of self-defense. It's the most practical method that is available today. I've done many different types of martial arts. I have a black belt in 5 different styles. Yet, I find Krav Maga to be the most effective in these common day situations, whether you're a child or adult. And we don't teach violence, but in this day and age, we have to be more aggressive than the person attacking us. So, hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Stay tuned for our next show. Let me do that again.